Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about the interface of Unity and some hotkeys that can be very useful. So first of all, we've got the scene view, which is where you're going to be creating your level and such. You've got the game view, which is where the camera will see here, where the camera's looking. That is the game window. So just quickly give you a quick example. If I put a cube, you can see the cube is now in the camera. But let's go down. We've got the assets folder for the project where all your folders would be, and let's just go create folder, type in scenes, go up to file, save scene as tutorial 1, go to scenes, click save, and now in your scenes folder you have the scene. So it's very important to always save. Make sure you press Control S every 1 minute. That's my habit anyway. It's I guess it's a good habit, but yeah, try and save it as much as you can and back up your projects. This is your hierarchy, which is where all your game objects are, such as the main camera. If I went and created a cube again, now the cube is added there. If you click on the cube bit there, you can rename it to, I don't know, box, wood, and yeah, always name the things in your hierarchy appropriately as well, because it really does help as you get, you know, your hierarchy gets tons of things, and you don't want to give them, you know, just names, just keep calling them cubes, and then just, you know, keep pasting them cube. It will just get quite annoying, and you won't know which cube is which. So that's that. You've got the inspector, which is when you click on a game object, it will show you all the properties, so you can go ahead and you know, mess about, change the colour of the background. Got the console down here, which is very useful for when you know if there's an error. So maybe when you're doing some programming, you may have put something wrong, and it will come up with the red exclamation mark saying that you cannot play your game because something is not right. You've got the yellow, which is more just a warning, but that's very important, so watch out for that. And another cool thing is, if you don't like your layout, you can actually, you know, drag the windows where you want them to be. So scene view there, I don't know, game view here, game view here. Oh, okay, that's not actually snapped. There you go, something like that. But I'm going to stick to the default one. Now, some important hotkeys is, well, I'll show you where they are there. They're all here. So you've got the move tool. So let me just grab a cube. You've got W, E, and R. W is for moving. E is for rotation, and R is for scale. If you don't like to do it through here, you can simply go up to here and change the scale here. Another hotkey is when you hold down the left control and then click on the arrows, it snaps it. You can also change the snap settings in edit, snap settings, and literally just do it through here and change it to however you like it, but I'm going to keep it as default. Another great tip is, if I create another, let's just say I create a terrain. Let's say this cube happens to be over there. You're wondering, how did I do that? So let's say I want to get this cube over there. I don't want to keep dragging it in that, so just hold down left control and left shift, and there should be a white box that appears when you press them buttons. Drag on that, and then you can move it to where you want. It snaps straight to it. That covers everything in this tutorial.